Don't leave it in your car, because some certain thieves try to scan for Bluetooth devices in cars, and they find a device in range, and then they pick this car to open it and get stuff about it, because they know there's a phone or something, maybe also a laptop or whatever in there. So basically, if you leave something in your car, don't leave your Bluetooth on.
Yeah, thieves discover it. But there's a funny story, I told that at What the Hack already. There's fortune tellers using Bluver or Bluetooth technology in order to find out the names of the audience gathered around. So they would know that there's a person with a very strange name or whatever. And of course, they pick these persons. And if they have a vulnerable phone, they know the last person called was Mama. And before it was his wife or whatever. So the fortune teller could make out a very realistic story out of these facts.
I have one question. Is there any database where I can put in the name of a device, brand or something, and find out what attacks are known to work on it, so I can choose a proper device before buying it?
Basically, Adam started to have a small database, but I think it's out of date. The problem with this is we like to do this, but obviously we can't go out and buy every phone. It would cost us a fortune. They produce them like somebody else will change their underwear. But I think we may get up and have a database up running at some point. The big thing is they changed the firmware, so we also have to track the firmware, etc., so you can really see what you're buying. We stopped putting the models on our talk slides. The previous talk, they find some from the previous, okay, this model is vulnerable, etc. But we need really help to really get this anything in the right direction. And basically, the Bluenix CD with the audit tools on it is one way to really, okay, say this device is vulnerable, this device is not vulnerable to this attack, and then you can send in the firmware version, and then we can have a database. But the CD is I think it will be published in January or February next year. So we need an audit tool to really say it's vulnerable or not vulnerable.
Okay, I think that's it. So thank you for listening, and maybe see you next year.